A warm good morning to one and all out there. We heartily welcome you to the 74th Independence Day celebration of Aura Global Schools Perantalmanna. Now, let us witness the flag hoisting by the head of the institution, Mrs. Shamla U. Salim, our beloved principal.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
जय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला
सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला
वीरों को हर्षाने वाला
वीरों को हर्षाने वाला
प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला
प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला
मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
आओ प्यारे वीरों आओ
प्यारे वीरों आओ
देश धर्म पर बलि बलि जाओ
देश धर्म पर बलि बलि जाओ
एक साथ सब मिलकर गाओ
एक साथ सब मिलकर गाओ
प्यारा भारत देश हमारा
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे
Thank you, ma'am. Now let us listen to the Independence Day message by Mr. Shamla and our proposed head girl, Alisha Simran.
A very good morning to my dear children, parents and teachers. Let me extend my hearty wishes for a very happy Independence Day to all of you. As we know, this day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. The day holds great significance in the heart of every Indian citizen living in India or abroad. This celebration is to pay tribute to the brave freedom fighters and also to make the young generation aware of the sacrifice our forefathers made to make the country a better place to live in for all of us. It is to spark the spirit of patriotism in the youth and at the same time keep the spirit of freedom alive in their minds. It also motivates us to bind with each other, irrespective of the religion, caste, community, gender, or culture we belong to. The future of any country depends upon the actions of today of its youth. Now it's our turn to continue the legacy of doing great things fearlessly for our nation. Let us always be responsible. I'm sure, being an orate who thinks beyond, each of you will do it. Rejoice and celebrate this day with pride. Once again, Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
No culture can live if it attempts to be exclusive. With these beautiful words, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I am Alisha Zimran, the school captain of Aura Global School, Perinthalmanna. We all know that Independence Day is a blessed occasion for all Indians. We had got a privilege to be born in free India. We were able to breathe fresh air since our birth. If we don't know the feeling of being slave under foreign rule, we must definitely ask to the elder bonds before 1947. I'm so proud to talk about my mother, India. On midnight of 14th August 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rose to make a speech. When world sleep, India wake up to freedom and life. Yes, India got freedom from the bondage of British. Today, we remember the leaders who gave their lives for the nation's freedom and prosperity. Even in this pandemic situation, India stands together and fight against coronavirus. Today, we have to promise that to solve the general issues in our public health and make our nation the best nation of the world. So I hope you all are safe and healthy. So once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Every Independence Day is celebrated in a variety of ways. This year, Grade 9 is giving a speech through a PPT.
Independence Day, a day of happiness, pride, and above all, a great sense of patriotism. Since today is the 74th Independence Day of India, we would like to share a few words as a tribute to all those who have devoted themselves to the freedom struggle.
But first, we would like to address something. We are currently facing a pandemic, which means that we will not able to do our school's annual flag hosting. But let us remind ourselves that the purpose of flag hosting is to accept how we can come together united, not in body but in mind.
Independence Day is an auspicious day which we celebrate as a day we gain freedom. The freedom struggle is known to be started by Mangal Pandey, who raised his voice against the British, which also started a revolution which came to be known as the Revolt of 1857.
There were many other brave freedom fighters involved in the freedom struggle, like Mahatma Gandhi, who used his non-violent and peaceful methods of gaining independence. Subhash Chandra Bose, who was known for his involvement in the non-cooperation movement. Jawaharlal Nehru, who came to be the first Prime Minister of India, and many others who fought for our freedom.
One of the most memorable moments of the first Independence Day of India, which was on 15th August 1947, was Nehru's famous speech given at Red Fort in New Delhi, which was also called the Tryst of Destiny.
After that, every year on Independence Day, we can see the streets of our country adorned with the tricolors of the national flag of India. Many children are seen flying kites, which signifies freedom and happiness. The celebration also embarks the bright future of the country.
Freedom is something we receive as a gift from our ancestors. Let us value and respect this present so that we may never lose it. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Freedom in our mind, faith in our words, pride in our soul.
On our beloved nation's Independence Day, we salute the souls that went down for our nation's pride. Here we have few students from grade 10th going to present you a mesmerizing dance performance. Thank you.
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। केसरी ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Here we have a few wishes from India and abroad on this auspicious occasion. Parental Manna Bond World Energy Forum member, educational and social activist Mr. Ibrahim Subhan.
This is me, Ibrahim Subhan, working International Energy Forum as a financial analyst. Respected Principal, Management Committee, teachers, dear students, a warm good morning. Aura Global School celebrating the 74th Independence Day. In this occasion, I would like to say only one sentence, which is that, as you are aware that India's biggest force, youth, especially brilliant students. Aura Global School is creating one of the best students. In this time, please work and succeed with integrity. Wish you a very happy Independence Day and stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
Singer and music composer Hisham Abdul Wahab.
Hi, this is Hisham Abdul Wahab. It was an amazing experience to have attended the annual day functions of Aura Global School. I am wishing the Aura family a very happy Independence Day. Stay safe, stay blessed.